In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook-like button to your Google Sites, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. This feature can be a great way to enhance the interactivity of your site, making it easy for visitors to like your page with just a single click. To start, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Elfsight's website. Elfsight offers a variety of customizable widgets that can easily be integrated into websites like Google Sites. Once you're on the Elfsight page, look for the catalog section. This is essentially a library of all the widgets they offer, from social buttons to galleries and more. In the search bar within the catalog, type in the word face to quickly locate the Facebook like button option. The search should bring up a list, and you'll want to specifically click on the Facebook like button option. When you click on it, you'll be presented with a preview of how the button will look along with customization options. Don't worry too much about tweaking every detail at this stage. You can always return later if you wish to make further customizations. After you've had a look at the Facebook like button, click on Continue with this template. This will take you to the next step where you can prepare the widget for publication. Click the Publish button to move forward. No need to be concerned about any costs here, as Elfsight provides free options for those who don't require advanced features. Speaking of which, when prompted about the pricing plan, simply go ahead and select the free option. This plan lets you access and use the widget without any initial expenses. Once that's sorted, you'll need to copy the code for the widget. There will be an option marked Copy Code. Go ahead and click that. The code has now been placed on your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your Google site. Your next move is to open Google Sites, where you want to embed the like button. Find the page you're working on and look for the option to embed content. It might be on the top menu or right-click options depending on your site layout. Once located, click on Embed Code, which allows you to add custom content to your site. Simply paste the code you copied earlier into this box. After pasting, press Next to proceed, and then on the final step, you should see an Insert button. Click on it to finalize the addition of this widget to your site. That's it. You've successfully embedded a Facebook-like button on your Google site. As you can see, the process is really straightforward and can significantly enhance your site's interaction, making it easier for visitors to connect with your Facebook presence. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.